By the time I get back home, I would have walked approximately 10 kilometers. But what I want to say about that is that the distance is unimportant. It's the quality of the time that I spend with my body that's important. I think it's Joseph Campbell or James Campbell that says, we're not after the meaning of life, we're after the experience of being alive. And recently I read in Anal Seth's book, Being You, that, just confirming from a neuroscience, cognitive science, consciousness perspective, that it is with and through and because of the body that we have a world at all, that we have an experience of the world. And what I take that to mean to me is that it's the quality of the time that I spend with my body experiencing the world that is the most important component of any natural movement practice or any movement practice at all. I can just feel my body down-regulating that here. It is truly the gift of the forest that helps us de-stress, down-regulate, and feel a sense of calm. And having just finished the forest therapy course, all of that takes on a whole new meaning and significance for me now.